Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Since yesterday, I'm not feeling well, slightly, having some slight fever. That's why, yesterday evening also, when I spoke, instead of saying post-market, I said pre-market. So today also something may happen, so don't worry. Coming back to the markets, the US market has fallen. And again, the reason is very simple. Trump has increased the tax against China by 100%. But however, when the news came, markets did not fall much. In fact, US futures were down. Probably people knew that he's going to announce something like this. And as I told you, insider trading is very, very common in US markets. And then, the US futures shot up by 1%. I think yesterday until I went to sleep, the markets was okay. It was down, but okay. But I think in the last 1-2 hours, it has fallen drastically. But however, Asian markets are not reacting. So therefore, the US futures are recovering a little bit now. Coming back to GIFT Nifty, so it is indicating about 60, 70 point lower opening. That is okay, given the fact that, so the markets have shot up so much. And if you look at the Bank Nifty, 4,000 point rally in just a matter of 6 trading sessions. So that's why the people say, Mr. Sundar, you can never be a good investor, right? So we look at the day-to-day things, so we are so scared, but the markets, change the mind overnight. Just I think RBI policy, that is a trigger point for Bank Nifty. Now the Bank Nifty is just 2% away from all-time high. And whereas, other sectors like auto, logically when the banks do well, it should be followed by autos and real estate. But they are not doing well. Particularly IT industry is doing very, very badly. I think, the recent high for TCS around 4,500, that is struggling around 3,250. So that's by, in terms of percentage, how much? 20-25%. So the stocks like Infosys, TCS have fallen so much. Even the Reliance, right? Reliance, I think the recent high is around 1,400, I think. That is still struggling. So who knows if the Bank Nifty recovers, what happens once the market falls, okay, bottoms out, when the market reverses, one particular sector go up. Once it goes up significantly, the people don't find value in that sector, then they'll be moving the money to another sector. So then the second sector picks up. When that becomes overvaluation, the money is moving to the third sector. So this is how sector by sector, markets will be moving higher. So the overall market will be moving higher. So I do not know whether that is going to happen now or, this it can be punctured. But the way yesterday's Trump announcement, increase of tax by 100%, this is the highest one. But despite that, after that news, Nifty shot up about 150 point yesterday. Now it's giving up 60, 70 point. So it's not a big deal. So now the Trump factor is no more, right? Nobody will be like, one time, the people believe him. So once he has proven that, he's playing politics, of course, he's a politician, will play politics only. Now nobody want to believe him. So things then looking okay. As I told you, day before yesterday itself, Nifty technically has become long. And I've not been watching the Bank Nifty for some time, but definitely that should have also been long, because that would have become long even before the Nifty. And, every day it's moving 1,000 point, right? 4,000 point in 6 trading sessions. So that's an average of 600, 700 points. Though GIFT Nifty indicating about 60, 70 point gap down, but yesterday also it was something like that only. Yesterday also GIFT Nifty was indicating 70, 80 point gap down, but we did not gap down. So, we may not be following the GIFT Nifty closely. So moreover, today weekly expiry is there. And then tomorrow is a holiday. So we have a 3-day weekend. people will not like to carry positions, especially from today's closing to Monday's opening. The in between, Infosys result is there, HDFC Bank result is there, ICICI Bank result is there. I think put together, these three stocks will have around 20 to 23% weightage in Nifty, or at least 20%. So 20% weightage stocks will be declaring the results during the weekend. And so therefore, assume that if all the three results are good, there can be a significant gap up. Assume that all three results are bad, market go for a significant gap down. So anything can happen. So therefore, today, logically speaking, if the market is an uptrend, which is the case from Tuesday to Thursday, there will be some kind of a profit booking at Friday afternoon. But today we cannot say, because that small correction has already come, intraday corrections. So today it may come or may not come. And last 1 hour will be more interesting. So because of the positioning in markets, because of weekly expiry, Infosys results, HDFC Bank results, ICICI Bank results. So there are many things. So like most of the people say that the recent high of 23,869. So that will be the target. So that will become 100% retracement, of the last fall. So, you have to keep your positions in such a way that, you will not be affected even if the market goes to 23,869. So I think going beyond that will be a problem, because Bank Nifty has shot up so much. Logically, it has to consolidate. But no, that is not looking. Look at Bank Nifty all-time high is 54,400. Yesterday, 55,000 call option was trading at 50 rupees. Right? That too, we have only 5 more trading sessions. Tomorrow is a public holiday, Good Friday. So we have only 5 trading sessions, 600 point above all-time high. And, options are trading at 50 rupees. So you can see the kind of bullishness. Of course, that will be the nature. We can't do anything. Last time when the markets went higher, close to 26,000, I remember for the December 2025 option, 31,000 call option was trading around 410 rupees, right? And where market has gone to 31,000, then came down. So that 410 rupees has come down to 40 rupees, 50 rupees. Probably, I don't know exact price. So expect some kind of a volatility, some kind of action in the last half an hour, 1 hour. And let us see whether they are going to allow the people to make intraday players to make money peacefully, or, they'll be making up, down, hitting the stop losses left, right, and center. If 1 or 2 expiries go silently, then definitely the next expiry, the markets make a violent move. And then, so markets. So one good thing is that, the India VIX is coming down. So because of that, we can expect some kind of a stability. So as I told you earlier, day before yesterday, people have taken 23,300 straddle with a combined premium of 200 rupees. So that shows that 23,100 is a support and 23,500 is the resistance. So let us see if 23,500 is crossed, then, we can hope for 23,869. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.